Greetings, fellow seeker. We've already looked at how to achieve quiet success by establishing our value systems and by establishing consistency of output. Today what we're going to look at is success and the warrior monk. I'd like you to adopt the attributes of a warrior monk in order to get that quiet success nailed down for good. I'd like us to be able to fast track our output by removing waste, by simplifying our operations, and by using 3 quick and easy to apply hacks. I'm going to outline what the hacks are quickly, why we need to do them, and then I'll reiterate. So hang on to the end so that we can get total clarity on this thing. Hack number 1 is stop explaining. Over-explaining, either to yourself or to other people, is going to drain you of your energy, your time, and your resources. So you need to lock down what it is you need to do and be able to explain it very quickly and succinctly. What's your one-line pitch? If you can explain your decision in one line so it makes sense, do it. Then I want you to consider, while you're explaining your outcome, is this outcome and is this decision, is it driven by your emotions or is it driven by the output or the data? If it's driven by emotion, disregard it. If it's driven by data, embrace it. And hack number 2 is going to be ruthless and eliminate the deadwood. Get rid of all of the nice options. All of the nice to have options need to be disregarded, discarded, put into another pile somewhere for another day. Reject performative output. You're not a performing animal in a circus. You're not trapped in a zoo. You don't have to jump up and down and clap your flippers for anybody. Reject the performative and start working on the output driven. Be the warrior monk. Be that person who can apply themselves quietly. Reject over preparation. Over preparing is going to drain you in the same way as over explaining will. It's another side of the same coin if you think about it. It's the process of putting too much excess energy into irrelevant things. So don't over prepare. Keep it simple. And don't waste your time engaging in symbolic struggles. You don't have to pretend that you are St. George slaying the dragon. You don't have to take on the world. You don't have to make everything some kind of massive statement. Basically, nobody's listening, nobody cares. Don't waste your time and energy engaging in symbolic struggles which only make you look like you're questioning your own motives. Get your motives locked down. Reject the unnecessary stuff. Be the warrior monk. And hack number 3 is be deliberate, ruthless even, about the recovery time that you allow yourself. If you want to have a pity party, have it by all means, but make it a brief one, please. Create a recovery routine for yourself. Set a time window during which you're going to regroup and recover. And then establish your move on time. So it could be 24 hours if you like. It could be 30 minutes if you like. It could be 3 hours. Create a routine during your recovery time. It may be a walk on the beach. For example, set yourself an hour, go for a walk on the beach while you process, and then when you come back, click your heels 3 times, do what Dorothy did in The Wizard of Oz if you like. Create yourself some kind of symbolic action which is going to snap you out of the old way and back into your recovery, and do it in a discrete window of time. So I'm going to recap now the 3 hacks that are going to assist you to be the warrior monk, and they're going to assist you to achieve better outcomes more rapidly. Number 1, stop explaining. You don't need to explain everything to everybody. If you do need to explain in one line that makes sense. And the sense must be driven by data, not emotion. So, hack number 1, don't over-explain. Hack number 2, cut out the deadwood. This can be a range of things from distractions, scrolling, having nice add-on options. Simplify your operation and facilitate more rapid output as a result. And hack number 3, to recap, is set a ruthless recovery window for yourself so that when you do inevitably screw it up, you can say, okay, I'll hold a little pity party now. I will do something which is going to break the pattern, interrupt it, and then when that time is finished, I'm going to snap my fingers and get back into my monk mode. Now, I hope this is useful to you. I found it very useful, I must confess. It's solidified a lot of quite disparate and unrelated ideas for me researching this particular output. So I'll leave you now with one final thought, if you will allow me to. And that final thought is, whatever it is that you dare to do or dream, begin it now.